Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly, open Contacts application, tap Skip, then go to Fix and Manage, select Manage SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer from your SIM card. So you can just select them all, tap Import, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.